There was a season in my life that I just felt stuck financially. Not in a dramatic way, not a crisis, but I wasn't moving forward either. I had a credit card of about $750. It wasn't the biggest bill in the world, but it was there. And I was asked one simple question: how much do you spend in a week? It said around $100. And I was told, pay it off. All of it? That meant putting 65% of my paycheck on that one card. I won't lie, that scared me. And for 3 weeks, I wrestled with that decision. I kept thinking, if I do this, what if I'll be broke? What if something happens? What if I need the money? It felt risky. It felt tight. It didn't make logical sense to me. So I made the decision, not because I felt confident, but because I was ready for something to change. I paid the $750 in one shot. Bam! When it hit zero, I felt relief, but I was scared still. But the shift and the next month, next payday, there was no minimum payment. There was no $750 looming over my head. I felt relief. Breathing, being able to breathe. And extra money. Yay, stuck. But making that decision gave me breathing room. And once I felt the breathing room, everything started to make sense. And I started building on that little bit of money that I saved every month.